Hi guys, I'm going to be decorating an avatar. Okay, let's go. What should I do for the top? Well, pants now. I'm gonna do these ones. Ew, wait, sorry guys, I'm just gonna blur that out. On top, I'm just gonna put on the top to cover that up quickly. It doesn't take a lot. I like this top, but I want. And you can't really see the shorts, and then that looks inappropriate. So yeah. I don't really have that good of tops. I see that one, and then here. Should we do red ones? Should we do shorts? No, that don't work. Or should we do like these? No. I'm gonna do these ones, but change this top. I like this one. But I'm not doing that. Not that. That's kind of cute, but I don't have like the blonde hair like that bright. Yeah. That's quite cute. I'm gonna actually change the bottoms to like jammy pants, I guess. Okay, it's gonna look better when I change the stuff, like the waist and stuff, that's accessories. Not gonna be like that. And then the legs are just gonna go like that. And then like that. So it should look a little bit better. Gonna make her a little taller, like that. We do hair. That's quite cute. Or should I do like brown? No, then blonde. That cute face. Guys, you need to decide that face. That face is gonna look weird with it. So that face. I go for this one. What else should I add on? The necklaces are so cute, but I don't have that good of necklaces. I'm gonna add my bag on. Can I put two front things on? No, it's one or the other. I'm gonna put on this one. Oh look, stop me. By the way, guys, it's my birthday tomorrow, so yes. 10th. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm gonna change the top because it's kind of weird with it. Sorry, guys. I was gonna turn this into a short, but change of plans. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I like this. It's quite cute. Wait, what's in it? Don't know. Classic shirts. That's a name reveal. Look here. That's my name reveal. Probably gonna name this the name reveal now. I don't know what top. This top's fine, but then I need like a jacket or something over it. Like a jumper. We could put like a jacket on, but those aren't like that good. I don't like it. I'm just gonna change for the bag. For like that vesty kind of thing. That's quite fine then. Okay, that's my avatar. I always use this hair, so I'm just gonna change the hair quickly. Hair. I think I'm gonna do tooth braids now. I'm just gonna use this one. Okay. Bye. Oops, it never clicked.